Oh yeah, what's up YouTube? Nick here. Thanks for coming by to the channel. Appreciate you being here. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you something so awesome, something that is so easy. And I have to ask you, have you ever wondered how many drives that you do, how much you're getting paid on each drive, how much you're getting in surge, how much you're getting in base fare, how much you're getting in tips, how much you're paying in tolls? Do you ever want to see at the end of the week or the month like a total so you can see everything that you're doing? You want to see a total of how many X rides you do, how many pool rides you do, how many XL rides that you do. And we're talking about Uber here. So, as an Uber driver, there's a really cool feature in the Uber partner website where you can do all this in the click of a button, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video, is how you can document all your pay, every single penny that you make for time, for distance, what you're getting in tolls, what you're getting in wait time, what you're getting in cancellation fees, what you're getting in adjusted fares, what else? I don't know. There's so much good stuff in this video, guys. I can't wait to show you. So let's get into the video and check it out. All right, guys, here we are. What's up? So this is the thing. All right, I just found this out. I just realized that I could do this, and I'm super excited. I hope you guys are as excited as I am about this, because I used to do this all by hand. I used to go through my app, open up my pay statement, and I used to type all this in by hand. And it was a real pain in the ass, and it was long, and I didn't want to do it. And I know people have reached out to me looking for the same template that I used to use. So I want to show you what I did and how I do this. Now, some of you are familiar with computers and downloading documents and importing them into a spreadsheet, just like the one you're seeing right here on my screen. But what I want to do is show you how to do this. Now, this right here, I love this part, right? So people have always asked me. Sorry, a second. Let me expand that one. Actually, you know, the trip ID, honestly, I don't even care about. We're just going to hide this one. I'm going to hide that column. Okay. And we can go to the dates and times if we really want. But this is what I love right here, this type. Okay, so type. So now you can see which rides that I'm doing. XL, X, 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 Comfort, Comfort, X. There's even one lonely pool in here. Hey, sometimes it happens. You know, we all got to hit those pools sometimes, right? And there was an additional pickup. So here's what happens when you download this onto the spreadsheet, right? This is Google. This is free. This is all free. It's not going to cost you a penny, and this is all free. And this is a great way to track to see how you're doing every single week or every single month. This will be the first part of the video series. So I'm going to show you in this video how to download this. And then the next time that I do the video, I'll show you how to do like a monthly chart, a monthly flow, so you can see how you're doing, how many rides you're doing, what type of rides that you're doing. And it's always good to look at the data, right? You want to see the data and see how you're doing with everything. It tells you how much you made in distance. It'll tell you how much you made in time, minimum fare supplement. Not too familiar with that. What else? Oh, it tells you how much you made in tips. Not that you don't already know this. I mean, you can pull this up in the app. But what they don't tell you, what they don't give you total is the surge, right? So then you can see from this week alone, I made $135 in surge. And I always love that number, and something I had to do before when I was inputting all this information by hand. I always had to go through every single trip. They didn't give you a running total of your surge. So you had to go through every trip to figure out how much you're making in surge. Your wait time totals, your long pickup fees, if you have any. By the way, I love that Uber does the long pickup fees. Definitely don't get that with Lyft. They should implement that. But with Uber, I love the long pickup fee. Fare adjustment, so that guy that I canceled on, he got his fare adjusted. Optional insurance, yes, I pay for the disability insurance. Listen, I have a family to support. I have a little baby, not a baby, but a toddler that depends on me. So I get the disability insurance. It's easy, it's per trip, and so I'm covered if I'm in an accident. I'm probably going to get some different type of disability insurance, because I don't think that they give me the best coverage, but that's not what this is about. I love this part, right? So here's the total. Here's the total of all the money that I made this week, in this particular week, 577. But look at my surge, and this is what I love, right? So you can take this. So I want to do equals this divided by this number, 24%. Sorry, I gotta move this over here. And that's a percentage. So 23.56% of my surge was my total. So when I talk about this a lot, and that's not the point of the video, I'm going on a little tangent right here, but I talk about this a lot, like you have to position yourself, you have to be in the right spots to get these surges, because look, it accounts for 23% of my total income. Huge deal right there. If I didn't hit those surges, that's in minus $23. I mean, 23% minus $135. Huge deal. That's my Uber tip of the day. So you guys probably want to see how to do this, right? So we go to the Uber partner website. I'm gonna make this so easy, right? Wait a minute. Oops. So let's go to partner earnings. So when you log into the Uber partner website, this is what you're gonna see. Okay, so this is basically what you're going to see. Is there anything over here? No, not really. I mean, you can pull this down if you want. It just shows you my profile. Not a big deal. There's help right here. You can get to your banking, tax settings, tax information. Taxes are coming up. That's going to be one of the next videos too. I'm going to talk about taxes. Instant pay, pay statements. So what we want to do, we go over here to statements. You take the statements, and I'll only move my thing back up. All right, so this is the first. I did November 25th, the paid statement of November 25th. So let's download. So it says download CSV. I'm not sure what CSV stands for, but I know what it is. And this is how, like, watch what it looks like when I open it. It's not the easiest thing to read, but it's downloading right now. Be patient. There it is. Okay, so let's open it up. All right. This is what the CSV looks like, right? So you can see that there are numbers, quotations, commas, all this stuff everywhere. It's a big mess. Like, how are you even supposed to decipher through this? Like, what's going on? All right, so I'm going to close this one out, right? So then I want to go back over here to the statement. I'm going to add another one. I'm not exactly sure how to separate these right now. So I'm just going to add another. So, and by the way, this is Google Sheets, all right? So on your desktop, you could probably do it on your phone. I'm not too familiar with how to do it on the phone, so I'm not going to do it on the phone. But with Google Sheets on your desktop or your laptop, you can go on here. All right, now I'm gonna start a new blank sheet. So this is a blank sheet, right? This is what it looks like when you open up Google Sheets, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do here. This is so easy, guys. It's so easy. This is so good. I love it. So I'm going to go into file, and then we want to import. So we're going to import and upload. Okay. So we want to go to import and then upload your file. We're going to select the file from our device. Downloads. All right, here we go right here. It's this one, right? Because I just did this. Double click. It's going to upload. Just let it do its thing. Import location. Create new spreadsheet. Insert new sheet. Replace spreadsheet. Replace. Append. Replace data. That's select itself. I'm just going to do create new spreadsheet. This is the easiest way to do it, guys. Create new spreadsheet. Separator type. Detect automatically, okay? Definitely detect automatically. Honestly, I don't know how to do it any other way. And I don't want to get into it, right? I want everything easy, and that's why I love this and so excited about this, because it's so easy. And I'm going to import the data. Dun, 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 dun. It is all done. And right up here, it says file imported successfully. Open now. Yes, please. Yes, please. And here it is, guys. Here it is. Okay. Now, it's still kind of messy, right? So there's still some things going on. One of the first things I like to do, and with every spreadsheet, it's like you want to bold this. All right, let's kick it up a notch in the size. Let's go from 10 to 14. This is the titles, and then we want to there, and then you can just, when you go in the line in between the columns, and when you see that little arrow, you can expand, you double click, and then it'll expand the cell. Let's see if I can get this one. Okay. So driver name, Nicholas Newsome, obviously it's me. I'll leave that out. I was gonna hide that, but all right, my phone number, email is not in there. Okay, cool. So we want, if you wanted to check your date and time, you can. This is not a big deal to me. So let's go ahead and we'll hide this column. So it's gonna collapse it, right? Love, love, love this column, ride type, So you can you can do a running total from this. There's a certain way to do it. To be simple in this video, I just want to show you that you can do this, and it's very simple just to get the collect the data and put it into a spreadsheet. And then once it's in the spreadsheet, that's when we can go ahead and dissect the information. So if you want to know more about how to dissect this information, like maybe you want to get a running total of the Uber X's, Uber XLs, or Comforts that you do, definitely go ahead and comment below, and I will make that video for you. Because it is, it's something I'm not too familiar with. As far as like how to do that, but I know honestly I can reach out in a second and figure that out, and that's why I'm not doing it today, because sometimes you just got to make the video and get out there. So just like I'm doing right here, you want to, sometimes it collapses, sometimes it expands the cell, the column. It's just something, it's just better to stay tidy. So like watch this one will expand because long pickup fee and adjustments, optional insurance, share adjustment, that's plus money, okay, I'll take that. Consecutive trips promotion, ooh, they even put the consecutive trips promotion in there, but I don't have any. Very sad. I never get those because honestly they're just not worth it for me. And then you can do the running totals, right? Like so, and this is the easiest thing that I can do for you. So if you want the running total, the base fare, you want to know how much you made in base fare, and you want the total for the column right there. Excuse me a second, I gotta move this down. So here's the function here, right? This is a simple function. It's over here. It's like this little thing here. I don't know what to call it. It's gonna drop down. Let me put my window over here. You're gonna drop it down, and some average, count, max, min. This is probably something I'm going to use to total out this column. I'm not exactly sure. I'll try it here in this video, but this is what we want to do. You want the sum total, right? So the sum is all the money that you made. You hit sum, and it's like sum. So now you have to choose sum of what. So you're going to click here, and you go to the top of the column. I mean, you could type it in if you want. I just prefer to go to the mouse. Now you have your total column selected that you want, and you just hit enter, and then it's going to give you the running total right there. Another cool trick that I know, all right, I'm just giving you the stuff that I know here. So I want to bold that. I also want to like blow it up a little bit. Let's go to 12 on this one, right? So now I'm going to take this, but I want the same thing for all these columns, right? I want a total here. I want a total here. I want all the totals. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this and see this little box here. So that little box, and then I'm going to grab it. I'm going to one click it, and then you want to drag all the way over. And what this will do, it'll copy the same function, right? It's not going to give you the same numbers as you can see all the way across, but it copies the same function. So it'll give you that total sum of each column down here in the bottom. Really, 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 really love that. And because everything's highlighted, I want to go over here in this new row, this new column that I did. I'm going to hit this dollar sign, right? Can you see this dollar sign right here? I'm going to click that. Now everything's in a dollar format, right? So it's in a dollar format. I did 624. Let me see the surge on this one. Where's my surgy? See this one right there? I'll expand that a little bit. Surgy. $230. Let's get the percentage just because we're here and doing this. So this number, right? So we're gonna, in this cell, you're gonna hit the equal sign. This cell will equal, right? This will equal this number right there, divided by, it's the / is the function. Don't ask questions. If you want to do it, just do it like I'm showing you. Divided by this number, enter. And that looks like 36%, but let's put the percentage on it. 36.89%. in surge bonuses. Yes, that's my tip. Get the surge bonuses so you can get that money. Guys, appreciate you being here. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it so very, very much. Don't forget to subscribe because this is the home of the free dash cam giveaway where we're giving away a free dash cam every single month. Okay, so make sure you hit subscribe. You got to click the bell, ring the bell, so you know when I'm doing the dash cam giveaway because I'm only going to be doing it on live streams. So if you don't have your bell rung, you won't see the live. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.